First up, viewers, we have some big breaking news coming in as far as the Tirupati Laddu Rao probe is concerned. The SIT seems to have made some headway in the investigation. And according to the details that are tumbling out, it was found that out of the 8 transactions with 5 vehicles, all the said vehicles originated from Vaishnavi Dairy in Tirupati. But 4 vehicles with 5 trips having Tamil Nadu registration number moved to Dindigul for delivery to AR Dairy and from Dindigul to Tirupati for delivery. Now, this implies that AR Dairy probably procured ghee from Vaishnavi Dairy and then supplied the same to the Tirupati temple. We have Aneri also joining us live. Aneri, the SIT seems to have made some headway. Now there is a new dairy that's under the lens. What is the link between AR Dairy and Vaishnavi Dairy, Aneri?
Well, what we have been seeing is that in a big development, SIT, which was formed by the state government, has which had conducted a basic investigation.
They had started the investigation, and following which, now we have been seeing is
of
that
AR Dairies, which states that out of the 8 transactions with 5 vehicles referred, all the said vehicles originated from Vaishnav Dairies, which is based in Tirupati in Andhra Pradesh.
So now these are but 4 other vehicles which have tripping, of which 5 trips having from Tamil Nadu registration number moved to Dindigul to AR Dairies to deliver it to AR Dairies, and then from Dindigul they went to Tirupati, passing through the toll gate. So very clearly this shows that how AR Dairies, which is basically means that AR Dairy also did not produce this ghee, whereas it was Vaishnavi Dairies which had produced. So the vehicles were moving from Vaishnavi Dairies to AR Dairies, and then once again coming back to Tirupati to TTD. And also at the same time, the document further mentions one more very important point here in this document which we have accessed, which shows that the verification of inward supply of Vaishnavi Dairy shows that it produced 19,500 kgs at 412 rupees, 29,000 kgs at 403 rupees, and also during the month of June 2024 from this was produced from basically Bole Baba Organic Dairy Milk Private Limited. So this is also one point which further investigation will be taken up into this matter. But yes, as of now, what we are seeing is that the price also mentioned in the related e-invoice in respect to the supplies made by Vaishnavi Dairies to AR Dairies and further to TTD are related to the supply of ghee made through the same vehicles consigned by Vaishnavi Dairy to AR Dairy. So definitely a lot of things, a lot of unanswered questions which have to be investigated into, because now with this document, one more thing which comes to light is that this shows that AR Dairy also did not produce the ghee, whereas it was Vaishnavi Dairy, and also further it mentions that Vaishnavi Dairy had produced it from Bole Baba Organic Private Limited. So we'll have to see what would be the next move, because yes, Supreme Court has taken up a serious note of it, and now there will be a 5-member SIT team which will be investigating into this matter, which will be headed by 2 CBI officers, 2 state police officers, and 1 FSSAI officer as well will be investigating into this. So we'll have to see what's next. But yes, earlier in the day also we had accessed one more document which shows that how AR Dairies, which was not willing to supply ghee at rupees 408 in October 2023 when the bidding had taken place, just within 6 months of time, they changed the rate and they supplied ghee at 319 rupees in May 2024. So what made that change AR Dairy to give ghee for only rupees 319 to TTD? We'll have to see how it turns out to be and what will be the further course of action into this matter.
Well, Aneri, in the name of cost cutting, they've toyed with the sentiments of Hindu devotees, lakhs of them who visit the Tirupati temple. But just for our viewers to clearly understand, does this, latest revelation point at the fact that AR Dairy procured ghee from Vaishnavi Dairy and then supplied it to the TTD, or did Vaishnavi Dairy also supply, procured it from another source? Like there's a multiple, dairy link in this.
Well, that's right, Deepak. What we have is that in this particular document, which shows that how Vaishnavi Dairy in the month of June 2024, basically in the month of June 2024, they had got it from the Bole Baba Organics, is what the document mentions. So we'll have to see whether Vaishnavi Dairy had also produced it from Bole Baba Organics, and which company is this, where is this located also. Still, we have to get more details into this matter. But yes, a lot of questions will have to be answered by Jagan Mohan Reddy government, because all of this had taken place during the YSRCP regime in the state of Andhra Pradesh. But YSRCP seems to be questioning the TDP government, the NDA government in the state of Andhra Pradesh. They say that the samples which were sent for testing was in the month of July 2024. That is after Chandrababu Naidu had taken oath as the chief minister. But now these documents shows that how there were violations, how the tender procuring conditions were changed, how AR Dairies was given the contract, and what made AR Dairies give ghee at such a lower rate. And now this one more document very clearly shows that how there were tankers from Vaishnav Dairies, which is in Tirupati, had sent tankers to Dundigal in Tamil Nadu, and once again from Tamil Nadu they had come to Tirupati. So very clearly a round of circle which shows that there seems to be some sort of discrepancies into this Laddu controversy which we have been seeing. But yes, a further investigation will be taken up by the SIT team, which will be investigating into whole of this matter.
Right, Aneri, many thanks for joining me with those details. Well, Jagan Mohan Reddy yesterday demanded an apology from the TDP, but there are several unanswered questions that the former Chief Minister must answer. Where is Vaishnavi? Why is Vaishnavi Dairy's link now coming out? What did Vaishnavi Dairy do in the entire, Laddu Rao? That is something that the Chief Minister, the former Chief Minister, will have to answer. But many thanks for now, Aneri. Let's move on, viewers.